Bonjour et bienvenue. In this video, we are going to do some GCSE speaking practice for theme 1, topic 1, me, my family and friends. I am going to give you a top mark example answer to this question. Décris ton ou ta meilleure amie. Okay, let's do it. If you want the guide for this video, consider becoming a member here on YouTube by clicking on the join button or visit my website LearnFrenchWithAlexa.com for my complete French course. Okay, if you were asked during the speaking exam, décris ton ou ta meilleure amie, where would you start? What do you want to answer? Okay, well, it's quite simple. Take your best friend, okay, and describe your best friend. But describe her, what's good about her as well. Not only physical, but describe whether she's nice and she listens to you and she's funny or whatever. This is where you need the best adjectives you can find. So you will be marked for the use of your adjectives and also for the complex structure that will go around that. So this is my suggested answer. Again, it's a suggested answer. It's not necessarily the answer that you want, but use this and use the elements that I am using in this answer to get you the best mark. Okay. This is what I've done. Actually, I've done two. One where you talk about a girl and one where you talk about a boy. Okay, so let's have a look at the girl's answer here. Ma meilleure amie s'appelle Alice. Elle est très gentille et grande et elle a les yeux bleus. Elle est attentive et adorable. Je la connais depuis que je suis toute petite. Nous nous entendons bien. Elle est toujours là dans les moments difficiles et je lui fais confiance. Okay, so we've had a look at this, okay, answer to décris ta meilleure amie. So in this case, it's a girl, okay. What makes this answer really good? Well, there's a few elements. Let's have a look. Ma meilleure amie. First of all, we're using the possessive ma and not mon or me. Why? Because Alice is feminine. So the fact that we are agreeing, the feminine with this adjective meilleure and with the possessive ma is a good thing, okay? It means that you understand that everything has to agree. If you're using a feminine noun, then everything that follows has to be feminine, like adjectives, for example, okay? Elle est très gentille. So here we've got an intensifier. Can't say it. She's really nice. Gentille. And again, here we can see that you are agreeing the adjective with the fact that it's elle. So we've added double L-E, okay? When you learn your adjective, please learn them in the masculine form and learn the feminine form as well, showing the interviewer, the examiner, that you can actually do that, transform an adjective into its feminine, even feminine plural form is a bonus point, okay? Now, grande, again, I've added an E. Elle est grande, she's tall, she's nice, she's tall, and et. So I've got two here connectives. Et elle a les yeux bleus, and she has blue eyes. Again, I know that you don't hear the bleu as an S, because we don't say bleus, okay? But the fact that you know that it has an S because we are using les yeux being plural masculine, okay, is a good thing because this can be used during the writing exam, okay? Whatever you learn for the speaking exam can be used for the writing exam. Be as accurate as you can, okay? Elle est attentive. So what's so special about Alice? She's very attentive, okay? Et adorable. Oh, she's adorable. Adorable. Now, what comes next is a more complex sentence. This is where it's going to bring your mark slightly higher and make it sound more fluent. Je la connais depuis que je suis toute petite. Now, je la connais. Okay, we are using a direct object pronoun here. Je connais Alice, as in her. Je la connais. Again, and I've said that in many videos now, try to understand your pronouns, okay? Direct object pronouns, the indirect object pronouns, the emphatic pronouns. Okay, you don't need to know the whole, encyclopedia of French grammar. There's no need for that. But certainly know the one. So that means if you want to say I know her, je la connais. Okay, I know him, je le connais. Okay, just a sentence like that is enough. You don't need to learn all of the rest of the pronouns. So I know her, but I've known her since preposition depuis que je suis toute petite. This sentence is hard because we are saying I have known her since since I've been small. Okay, this I would like you to learn as a phrase. Okay, je la connais depuis que je suis toute petite. For example, you want to say I play tennis since I was small or since I've been little. You would say je joue au tennis, present tense. Yeah? Je joue au tennis depuis que je suis toute petite. Okay, depuis que je suis toute petite. All small. It's an idiom and that means very small since I was tiny. Okay, and by the way, toute petite because I'm a girl. Tout petit if you're a boy. Okay, nous nous entendons bien. So I love that one. Why? Because we are using s'entendre. And s'entendre means to get on. And you have one of your questions in the speaking exam, which is to get on with your family. Je m'entends bien avec ma famille. So this is here. You're saying that you get on really well with your best friend. Nous nous entendons bien. And why is it so clever that? It's because we are using nous and we're using the reflexive form nous as well. So that will make you sound like you know what you're talking about. Learn this by heart. Nous nous entendons bien. We get on well. Just that. Nous nous entendons bien. I'm not asking you to know, how to use the vous or the il or the elle or no, just the nous. Nous nous entendons bien. We get on well. Okay? Why do we get on well? Elle est toujours là dans les moments difficiles. She's always here in difficult moments. Okay, now remember that the adjective comes after the noun most of the time. Okay, like les yeux bleus, we've got les yeux bleus here. Blue eyes. Okay, we say eyes blue. Difficult moments, moments difficult. Okay, so elle est toujours là dans les moments difficiles. She's always here in difficult moments. Et je lui fais confiance. Now here, this is definitely a phrase I would like you to learn. I trust her. Je lui fais confiance. Okay? Je lui fais confiance. Okay? So please try to learn this one by heart. To trust is faire confiance. Okay? Je fais confiance à ma meilleure amie Alice. You could do it like this. I trust my best friend Alice. Je fais confiance à ma sœur. I trust my sister. Je fais confiance à mon père, mon frère, whatever. Okay? Or, je lui fais confiance. Try to learn this phrase by heart. Okay? So this is one answer. The other answer, if it was a boy, mon meilleur ami s'appelle Paul. So what I've done, it's not ma, it's mon, because Paul is a boy. And then we are saying, il est très gentil, not gentil, et grand, without a i. Et il a les yeux bleus. Now I've added, il est aussi très sportif. So we aussi as well. He is also très sportif, very sportif, et joue au basket 3 fois par semaine. So here we've got a difficulty. When you want to say 3 times a week, use the number 3, and then fois. 3 fois par semaine. Again, try to know and understand when to use, the word fois. Okay? 1 time is une fois. Twice is 2 fois. 3 times is 3 fois. Je fais du basket 3 fois par semaine. Use this, try to learn this by heart. And again, nous nous entendons bien. Do you remember that? We get on well. Nous. I know it sounds weird, isn't it? Nous. Nous nous entendons bien. We get on well. Okay? Because why do we get on well? Parce que. Give me a reason always to what you're saying, okay? And add on to that. because in effect, the examiner is going to want to judge you on how much you know French and how much difficulty you are using. And if you're using only one liner saying, Mon meilleur ami s'appelle Paul, il est sympa. I mean, that's, what can I say about that? Try to tell me why he's nice. Okay, il est sympa parce que il adore le cinéma comme moi, like me, comme moi. Okay? Nous nous entendons bien parce que moi aussi, because me too, j'aime beaucoup le basket. I really like basketball. Please use this intensifier, beaucoup. And I can't say intensifier. It's driving me mad. OK. J'aime beaucoup le basket. Je lui fais confiance. Ah, faire confiance. Again. Do you see that? It's there. I trust him. So, je lui fais confiance for a girl. It's the same. Je lui fais confiance. Je lui fais confiance for a boy. I trust him. It's the same. Car il est là, ou est, il est là, is there. Quand, when, quite simply, je traverse des phases difficiles. So, traverser is to go through or to traverse, to cross. When I go through difficult phases. Look what I've done here. S, because phase is plural. Okay, so we've got two mega super answers here, okay, and I would like you not necessarily learn this by heart, but learn the expressions that you think are going to bring you the highest amount of points during your speaking and during your writing too. Like I said to you, what you're learning here for the speaking is not wasted. You can reuse it, recycle it in your writing exam. That's it for me. Quite chuffed about that one. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous.